Yes, students, this is our page 63. Cutting the halwa. Ramesh bought a piece of halwa for his children Amu and Anu. Amu and Anu, it means here two children is there. Okay, two girls. He divided it equally for them. This is the piece of halwa. So we have to divide equally. It means over here we have to put the margin. See, both are equal. Okay, each will get this part of halwa. Each will get, this is the one for Amu and one is for Anu. So each will get which part? One part. Total part 2. So each will get half part of halwa. Understood? Amu will get half, Amu will get 1. Total 2. So fraction of Amu is a 1 by 2. Anu will get 1 and total part is 2. So here each will get half part of halwa. This piece is too big. We can't eat, they said. What Amu and Anu said? We can't eat it. It is a too much big piece. So he divided the piece into half again. Half again. Already we have the half. Then again we will do half. Okay. So see, here we put the cut. It means 1 and 2 piece of from here and 2 from here. So here now, how many piece will Amu get? So total parts how many? 4. So half is for Amu. So this much is for Amu and this much is for Anu. So how many piece will Amu get? Amu get the 2 pieces. Yes or not? So here write 2 pieces. Okay. What part of the halwa is it? Part, it means you have to write as a fraction. What part of halwa? So here total how many get? 2. Total parts of halwa is 4. So from the 4, Amu get 2 piece. It means as a fraction, it is a 2 by 4. Again, it is a rule of the fraction. We have to cut it to minimum. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It means 1 by 2. So you can see over here, it is a half. Yes or not? Total portion. Half is for Amu and half is for Anu. Is that clear, students? So here also we have to learn the equivalent fraction. Over here 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 because both are equivalent. Understood? Now, make it even smaller, Dad, they asked. Make it even smaller, Dad, they asked. Okay? So he again cut halwa into the smaller piece. Okay, thank you, Dad. So again they cut. Here half, here half, here half and here half. So total how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so total 8 pieces. How many piece will each get? How many piece will each get? So check over here how many piece? 1, 2, 3 and 4 for Amu and 4 for Anu. So how many piece will each get? 4 pieces. Yes or not? Okay. What part? Part means we have to write as a fraction. What part of halwa is each piece? Now what we have to write? What part of halwa each piece? Each means 1 piece. Okay. So over here, how many piece? 8. So each piece fraction is 1 upon total 8. Here fraction of this 1 upon 8. Fraction of this 1 upon. So each piece fraction is 1 upon 8. Understood? Here they are asked fraction of each piece. Here they are asking fraction of Amu's part, fraction of Anu's part. Understood? But over here what they ask? Fraction of each piece. So each piece is 1 by 8. Okay. So now if Ramesh had cut halwa into 6 equal parts. Now what he did? Cut. Suppose it is a halwa. So now cut into 6 equal parts. Okay, suppose it is a equal parts. Okay, so it is a 6 equal parts. How many pieces would each have got? So 3 is for mu and remaining 3 is for nu. Okay, so how many parts? Then our answer is 3 by 6. Total part 3 Amu get and we having the total 6. Here Anu get the total 3 and total parts is 6. So 3 by 6. Again we can cut 1 by 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So they are equivalent fraction. Okay. For this, look at your answers for the question 1 to 4 and write over here. So you have to write 2 by 4, then 4 by 8, like this way. Okay. And 3 by 6, 1 by 2, this way. In short, here you have to write equivalent fraction. These answers you have to write over here. Understood, students? In short, here we have to learn the equivalent fraction. In exam, I will ask like this way. Give the equivalent fraction of the 5 by 6. Then what you have to do? Any number you can multiply 2 by 2. It's not compulsory every time 2 by 2. 5 by 6 with the 10 by 10. 5 by 6 with the 5 by 5. Any number you can take. But what is the rule? Whatever number you take for the numerator, same number you have to take for the denominator. So 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. So here 5 by 6 is equal to 25 by 30. So this is the equivalent fraction. Understood, students? Suppose I am asking here 3 by 7 is equal to 21. So you have to put one number over here. How you can put? Check. Say the table of 7 till the 21. Yes, 7 3s are. We know the rule of the fraction is whatever number we multiply with the denominator, same with the numerator. 3 3s are 9. So here you have to write 9. Okay, so this way you have to complete. I will ask this type of questions in your examination. What is the equivalent fraction? Put this one, fill in the blanks. Okay, so you have to learn this thing in this exercise. Thank you.